The Jamaican stock market is the best. Like, how can you invest 100,000 Jamaican dollars and in a couple of months it goes to 500,000 Jamaican dollars? Yo, them things only happen a yard, so be grateful. A lot of niceness in the market this week, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Wagwan future millionaires, welcome back to the channel. My name is Demetress Fairman. Before we start with our stories, let's take a look at the market and see what's going on. The Jamaica Stock Exchange main market suffered a big drop on Friday, followed by the JSE USD market on a day when the junior market also pulled back but moderately, resulting in the JSE combined index, a measure of the overall market, sliding 3,292.13 points to 375,849.10 following Bank of Jamaica's latest unnecessary interest rate hike of their overnight rate to 6%. Let's look at the dividend news. We have the JMMB 5.7 preference share and their record date is August 19, 2022, and it will be paid on September 6, 2022, and that dividend is 2 cents USD. Also, we have another 2 cents USD dividend that will be paid on September 6, and the record date will be August 19, and this is also from the JMMB 5.5 preference share. Also, we have Guardian Life, and they're going to pay 2 cents Jamaican, and their dividend record date is August 19, 2022, and it will be paid on August 29, 2022. We also have Access Financial, and they're going to pay their dividend also on August 30, and that will be a 10-cent dividend. Supreme Ventures are going to pay their dividend on September 2022, and in order to get this dividend, you should be on the records list of shareholders by August 8th, which gone already. So that means if you're not invested in Supreme Ventures, you're not going to get this 18-cent dividend. So if you're an investor in the JSE, the JMMB 7.15 preference share, 7.35 preference share, and 7.5 preference share, look out for dividends because they will be coming your way. Chances are you're new to investing and you just start out by investing in an IPO, and one of these IPOs are the Dolla financial IPO, and we just check on their performance since lately. So on August 9, the stock price was around $2.80, but if we jump to this big increase right here, this day that had a high volume of trading around 9 million, the price went to $3.25. Now you're wondering what caused this price jump. It's a lot of factors, and we'll talk about it more in the program because it's one of our stories. And it held there until August 15, and it held the price of $3.25. So a lot of people, including me, we took some profits right there. So more than likely, this is what caused the drop off here or the additional news that came out. But the stock price went up back to $3.15, and as of Friday, the stock price is still at $3.15. So there's still a lot of time for people to do what they need to do with the stock, realize some goals or anything like that, because it came from $1 and it's at $3.15. So that's a lot of percentage gain right there. Another company that brought a lot of people into the stock market is Fesco, and on August 10, 2022, the stock price was around $5.24, and it was trading very low from its all-time high of $8, and a lot of people wanted to go back there. But if you were one of the people that held Fesco from the very beginning, you would still be in profit right now. So it's not too late to realize your gains. Now, if you're asking yourself from August 10 to August 16, what caused that big jump right there? Well, Fesco released their financials and it was very good. We'll get further into that also in the program. But it was so good that it brought the stock price up to $5.83, and it's still not as good as $8. But will it actually go back up there? Let's find out later. Edufocal, their ticker symbol Learn, also had a good week of trading because a lot of people rallied up the price because their financials came out. It's earnings season, so you're now seeing what the companies did and if they're really doing what they set out to do. And in their report, Edufocal made some good profits. So this is why it reflected in the stock price, because people had redeemed their beliefs in this company. Another edtech company is coming on the market. They did their IPO. So a lot of people kind of sold off some of their shares just to buy this, but now they're reinvesting. People who saw the price went down for a sale like me, we just put some money in the Focal because we see the potential in the company and we see the potential to make some money. So on the day when they traded at their highest for the period, it was $2.88, and we take some profit up there. We can't complain, you know. And as of today, while making this video, the stock price is around $2.82, so it's still good times for Edufocal. Now for our first story. Dolla wants access. Dolla makes takeover bid for full control of access. Now this one is interesting because it took the market for a spin. I even made some change off the news, so I can't complain. Both Dolla and Access Financial Services, AFS, are micro lenders, meaning that them give loans. Now everything seemed good and understood when the article came out, but I'm guessing the investors read it another way, because on Thursday, August 11, Access Financial Services, their stock price rose from $19.21 on Thursday to $28.27 on Monday, a 47% increase. Even Dolla went up to 16% from $2.81 to $3.25. Then this article drops. No access for Dolla. Access board basically said, yo, there was no discussions between us and Dolla about any takeover. What really happened was that Dolla drafted a letter of interest and they sent it to the Access Financial Board. The letter goes like this. Dolla Financial Service Limited has formally advised the Jamaica Stock Exchange that Dolla wrote an expression of interest letter to the Board of Directors of Access Financial Services Limited dated August 11, 2022. The said letter was a non-binding expression of interest to enter into preliminary discussion to explore the takeover of Access. We await a response from Access in order to proceed with confidential due diligence and thereafter, if satisfactory, present a formal offer to acquire Access. In summary, Dolla is just saying, yo, I'm interested in your company, so make we chat about it. So until further news comes out and the negotiation process starts, we just have to wait and see what happens. My question to you now is, did you see this movement over the week and did you take advantage? Did you get some change in your pocket? But if you didn't collect any money, it's not too late to redeem yourself. All you have to do right now is like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Remember what I was saying in the beginning of the video about Jamaica stock market being the best? This is why I said that. It's earnings season time and iCreate released their second quarter financials. All I can say is Tyrone and the iCreate team wanna make our investors proud. Key highlights of their performance. Q2 revenue up 123.4%. Q2 profits up 154.8% from 2.5 million to 6.4 million. The 6-month year-to-date profit increase of 271.8%, up from 4.4 million to 16.5 million. And also fulfilling their dream one company at a time of becoming a creative conglomerate, the signing of Visual Vibe. iCreate stock price has rocketed from 78 cents to $4.22 this year, a 443% increase, which makes it the best performing stock on the market. The company's market cap currently stands at $1.3 billion. And notice I said billion with a B. Big boy leagues, billionaire boys club. So Tyrone, the CEO of iCreate, made a post on Instagram and he said that if you invested $100,000 at the start of the year, it would now be valued at 525,000 Jamaican dollars. Now when you look at all these gains and you look at all these opportunities, the one statement that ring out in your head a lot, the statement that your granny and your parents to tell you almost every single day, don't let the statement catch you up. If me did know. I currently have some money invested in iCreate. However, it wasn't from the 78 cents days, so I don't have this huge profit to show. I should beat myself though, because I have gotten tips and I have gotten messages from people saying that I should have bought iCreate back then, but I didn't listen. So now I'm just watching the millionaires go on vacation and enjoy themselves. But no worries, I'll continue to build my position in that stock and I can't wait until the real estate part of it comes on board. Speaking of real estate, if you live in Jamaica, you know that the real estate price is up there. It's to the sky. But it's not the only one that's up there. We have yes! Fesco released their quarter financials, and when me say nice, me mean it really nice. Revenues up 238% and profits up 294%. Could this be a comeback to $8 per share for everybody's favorite gas station? According to the article by IC Insider, Fesco recorded stunning first results that crushed expectations, with revenues surging 238% to $6.46 billion, up from $1.9 billion in in 2021 and drove gross profits up a robust 294%, higher at 216 million for the quarter from 161 million year over year. Looking back at this picture and seeing gas prices in the region of $180, a moment of silence for the gas prices that were. The gross profits that they made this quarter slap away the gross profits that they made for all of last year. So now Fesco just setting records for the other quarters to come. The reports came out on August 12 and the stock price was around $5.50. There was a rally and the volume was high, but the stock price only went up to a high of $5.83. Now I have to ask you guys the question again. Do you think we will go back to $8? All my Fesco investors, leave your comments down below. So that's market updates. Let me know if you enjoyed it. And by the way, let's push this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Me a beg you, please. It will be another milestone for us. Anyways, enjoy your week, make some money, and until next time, happy investing.